Hey, it's Ben from Orchard. Are you thinking about getting an eSIM? Whether your carrier offers it or you're looking for a more flexible option, let's quickly break it down. An eSIM, simply put, is a digital SIM. There's no physical card that needs to go into your phone. It can replace your current SIM or work alongside it if you want a dual SIM. Setting one up can feel a bit tricky if you've never done it before, so in this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through it. First step is finding out if your iPhone is even compatible. That will be the iPhone XR, XS, the iPhone SE second generation, the 2020 version, and all iPhones 11 or later support eSIMs. Step 2 is actually getting the eSIM, and there's a few ways to do that. Our recommended way is by getting a QR code from your mobile carrier. The second way can be through your carrier's app if they support that. And the third way is getting the manual setup details from your carrier. It'd be best to get in touch with your specific mobile carrier and ask them about getting an eSIM. Now, step 3 is adding that eSIM to your iPhone. Option 1 will be scanning the QR code, which is our recommended way. The QR code's usually sent in an email by your carrier. Have it open on a laptop or another screen to make scanning it from your phone easier. So grab your iPhone and first things first, head on over to Settings. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Go to Cellular. Add eSIM, or if it says Set up Cellular, press that. Use QR code. And then scan the QR code your mobile carrier provided. Follow the on-screen instructions on your iPhone to complete activation. Now, option 2 is a carrier activation or automatic push. Some mobile carriers will push the eSIM activation directly to your phone. This will show up as either a notification on the top of your screen or a notification badge in the settings. To check that, head over to Settings, Cellular, and if you see an option that says Carrier Cellular Plan Ready to be Installed, tap that and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the activation. Option 3 is entering the details manually. To do this, you'll have to have gotten the SMDP Plus address and activation code from your mobile carrier. And if you have that, go to Settings, tap Cellular, go Add eSIM or Set up Cellular, use QR code, and press Enter Details manually. You can then type in those details and follow the on-screen instructions to finish activation. Now, step 4 is to set up the line. This only applies if you're using a physical SIM alongside the eSIM in a dual SIM setup. In the settings for cellular, choose your default line for calls, messages, and data, and restart your phone if necessary. Step 5 is confirming activation. To do this, check for signal bars in the top right corner. Try a test call or search something with your mobile data. Now, here are some common troubleshooting issues. If you have no signal, restart your phone after setup. We made a full video on how to restart and force restart your iPhone. If the eSIM is not showing up, check for software updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and make sure that your iOS is up to date. If you can't scan the QR code, you're probably gonna have to go with a manual setup. And if your data is not working on a travel eSIM, make sure that roaming is enabled. We made a whole video on setting up a travel eSIM if you want to check that out. Now, how to remove or switch eSIMs. You want to go to Settings, Cellular, scroll down until you see Delete eSIM, and then press that. Some carriers allow you to pause or switch plans through their app as well. Hope this was helpful. If you ever find yourself in need of a pre-owned phone, check out getorchard.com.